number rules. Okay, this video is just only from numbers 1 up until 30. Okay, so first, cardinal numbers, okay, move this over here, okay, are numbers used for counting or telling how many there are. Okay, numbers 1 through 5. Okay. Palm faces in. 1, 2, thumb out, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 6 through 9. Okay, your palm faces out. Start with your pinky. 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Then we have number 10, A10 hand shape, which is a thumbs up. You shake it. 10, 10. 11 and 12. Palm faces in. You're going to flick upward. 11. You're going to use your thumb to flick it up. 11. Then again, with 12, use your thumb. 12. Again, 11, 12. 13 through 15. Palm faces in and you bend. So you take your 3, you close, you bend. 13. You take your 4, you close it, you bend it. 14. Take your 5, you close it, you bend it. 15. Again. 13, 14, 15. Then we have 16 through 19. There's 3 different ways to sign it. You need to do the shake. Take the 6, you shake it, 16. 7, you shake it, 17. 8, you shake it, 18. 9, you shake it, 19. So it goes 16, 17, 18, 19. Then you have the 10 plus, which goes like this. 10, 6, 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. 10, 9, 19. So it's like a little twist. So it goes 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, G hand shape, and then you pinch over and over, 20. 21 is with an L hand shape, and then you bend, 21. 22, regular 2 hand shape, palm faces down, 22. 22. 23 through 29, you use the L hand shape. Okay, so then it goes 23, so 23, then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30 is 30. Now, 25 can be signed different ways. 25, 25, or 25 with your middle finger. Okay, that's kind of like a shortcut. Same thing with 23. It's 23. It's kind of a shortcut.